Renu. You're welcome to Healing Recipes. Today I'm going to make basic Indian curry paste which can make different type of gravies. In this video I'm going to show you some of the examples of my vegetarian curries where I've used this magic potion with oil and also without oil. So please stay connected. Making the curry paste, I took 600 grams of onions and 600 grams of tomatoes that I washed and chopped. I also took 2 hot green peppers, 1 mace, 4 stalks of coriander, about 20 pieces of almonds, 6 pieces of cloves, 6 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, half an inch of cinnamon and 2 bay leaves. Cumin powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, natural red chili powder 2 tablespoon, it's not hot at all, turmeric powder 2 teaspoon, dry fenugreek leaves 1 tablespoon, salt 2 teaspoon. Lightly crush the green and black cardamoms before adding. Now I'll keep the pressure cooker on a high flame for about 1 or 1.5 minutes. Once it's heated, I'll add all the whole spices to it. Now I'm adding the onions. And the tomatoes. Now the coriander, almonds, and the green peppers. Now the dry spices, the coriander, cumin, turmeric, chili powder, dried fenugreek leaves, and the salt. Give it a mix and put the lid on. When the whistle starts blowing with the full pressure, I will put the flame low for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'll switch off the gas. When it's cold, I'll open the pressure cooker and pour the contents in the mixer grinder for grinding it into a paste. The paste is ready now, and I'll pour it out into small containers to store it for later use. I have poured it into 5 different containers and I'm going to put it into deep freeze for freezing. It can be stored in the freezer for about a month or maybe a little more. So this way I made oil-free, preservative-free paste with which you can make various kinds of curries. So I call it DIY Magic Potion. Cooking of the curries with Magic Potion could be oil-free or even spicy, oily preparation depending upon your well-being or your preferences. With this magic potion, you can make vegan, vegetarian curries or even chicken, fish, meat and even egg curries. That too in no time. To make oil-free mushroom curry, I have taken some curds, ginger, garlic, chilies. Transfer the curd mixture into the hot pan and mix well. After 1 minute, add oil-free curry paste. Add 200 grams of green peas and 200 grams of button mushrooms. Add half a cup of water, salt, mix well and keep it covered for about 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, the peas and mushroom curry is ready to serve. Next is the same curry preparation but with oil. Just put ginger, garlic, chilies in the oil and add mushroom and peas to it. Fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Magic potions, salt, water and let it boil for 5 to 6 minutes. After boiling for about 5 to 6 minutes, the oil separates and that is the time when the curry is ready. I'll garnish the oil-free curry with the fresh green coriander and the one with oil, I'll garnish it with the full cream. Vegans can always use the cashew nut paste or coconut cream for garnishing instead of full cream. To make the mixed vegetable curry with the same magic potion, I've taken about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, added the vegetables, ginger, garlic, chilies to it, salt, and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the magic potion to it. Mix well, add some water and boil it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Your vegetable curry is ready. You can always alter it with the spices of your choice or the cream or anything that you like. To make 1 cup of oil-free rajma, I took some ginger, garlic, chilies and curds, added to the hot pan, added 4 tablespoons of my magic potion, mixed well and added boiled and salted rajma. Cover and boil well for about 3 to 4 minutes and it's ready to eat. Vegans can replace curds with a little bit of water with a few drops of lemon in it. I call this paste the magic potion as you can make any of the curry of your choice in no time just by using this. There's no need of abracadabra and the curry is ready. In a similar way, you can quickly prepare any of the well-being curry or the restaurant style with oily and spicy curry. You can even alter it by changing the spices of your choice or adding cream, milk powder, coconut milk or cashew nut cream or sauce or anything that you like. You can always use different type of seasoning, tempering with this magic potion and make a new type of curry. And please don't forget to share your experiences with me. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Please stay connected to see some more exciting recipes in my future videos. See you next time.